So for this project, you need some LED modules. You can just get these on Amazon. I'll provide a link. Also, you'll need a 12-volt female plug-in, so you'll be able to plug in your power source, and 2 of these wire connectors. First, you'll need a heat gun right here, so you could heat shrink the 2 wires together, so the wire meets in the middle, just like that. Then same with the other one. You have to make sure the metal of the wires are connected together where the soldering is. So now you just turn on your heat gun. Now I just let it cool down. You also need a 12-volt power supply, but you should have some laying around. If not, you could buy it as well. So plug them in, lights work. Now it's time for us to put it into Lightbox. So we have our Lightbox here on one side. So yeah, so we'll start with the first one, right down here. The second one here. Want to strip them out enough to have even lighting, so another one as we can. Right one here. So these lights come with double-sided tape already, so it saves you the hassle. Boom. One more down here again. Look at the last one, get it hot right. The cords in between aren't very big, but good job. So boom, just like that, we got our light arrangement. And then this connector could just pop out the back, and we could plug it into the wall. So this is once it's plugged in, it will look a little bit like this. Again, we got our light box here, and then once it goes on there, can't really see it in that camera view, but I'm gonna glue the downtown core of Singapore that I printed on my flashboard onto here. Starbond medium this time glue, and we're just gonna put it all around the edges ever so lightly. Place this just like that, and we're just gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. Singapore downtown core with the water that's going to be illuminated.